Hi, what's up? How is it going? Today's video, I'm going to show you a very super trick, that is going to really even blow your mind in Corel 2021. So, without further ado, let's step into it. So, here we're going to create, we're going to use our trick to create, our Jotter. So, let's go ahead and set it to A5, which is set the drawing page to A5. Then go ahead to your shape tool, to your what's it called rectangle, to create an object on top of that. Then you center it within the page, change to white. So let's Powerclip this into place. Good, that's good. So right now what you needed to do now, go ahead to your rectangle to create a bigger rectangle just like so. Then make a copy downward just like so. Make copy downward just like so. Then make a copy forward, hit Control for a repeat. Likewise this, change the whole things to white first, then slide it to the other side. Right click to copy paste, right click to copy paste, hit Control for repeat. After that, make a copy of this, then you reduce it just like so. Good. After all of this, all we needed to do is to just make it longer. Then you go ahead, group it all up, then you go ahead and sample their color just like so. Pour it on the object, right click to set the outline to white, it's F12 to change it to the thickness to 2. Then you Powerclip this picture into place, without key, adjust it, then you make it a bit longer. So what we needed to do next, to make a copy of the object, center it within each other, right click to extract the content. After all of that, let's delete the object in which you extract the picture off from. So right now, go ahead to shape to range it from the bottom, then you pull it up just like so. Good. Range it from the side, then range it from here as well. Good. Can you see that trick? So right now, what we needed to do is to just group it all up, group, then you position it so well. So right now what we needed to do now is to go ahead and just bring in the text. So right now let's hit Ctrl K to break that into pieces. Then you go ahead, let's use Naija font. So after all that, hit Ctrl K, then let's change their names to headword. Likewise this as well. Right click, then you copy our properties. So make this a bit bigger. Likewise this. So what we're gonna do now is to change this to blue. Then the second name, blue, let's position it to top of each other, bring this down, then let's just bring the date a bit downward. So what we are going to do now is to position it so well, just like so. Then let's create a love symbol. It's your rectangle tool, perfect. So hit Ctrl Q to convert to curve, then you double click right here. So all we need to do now, pull this up a little bit, just like so. Good. Make a copy to the other side, then you weld the two together, change it to blue, then make a copy by dragging it down, then right click, copy paste, then combine. Select the two, combine, Ctrl L, automatically it combines. Then you set outline to none. So let's make this bigger a bit. So let's make it black. Good. Tweak it a little bit, just like so. Good. Good. So right now what you needed to do now is to go ahead, position this like this, then you let's get the what's it called, dates. Let's arrange it this way. Reduce that a little bit. Good. So go ahead to your shape tool, do the tracking. Good. So go ahead and just create a line just like so. Good. Hit F12, then change the thickness to 1. Let's make it, dotted line. It's okay. Good. So what we needed to do next is to copy the background to the other side, extract the contents, then you change this to royal blue, right click, that's the back of the Jotter, then you make a copy of the, go ahead and just delete this, extract the content, then you clip this to the back, then let's reduce this. Good. So let's type thanks for coming, use your text tool, thanks for coming. Change it to white. Good. So let's go ahead and hit Ctrl K to break that into pieces, then you bring this down, make it a little bit bigger. Likewise, select the whole thing, then you make it bigger as well. Good. Center it within the objects. So can you see that? So here we come to that area. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what I've shared so far. So as I always say, see you in the next video. Bye for now.